We are from the study school and we are from SP Robotics Maker Lab, Annanagar, Puducherry. This is our Republic Day project. The working model of a project. I have used a servo motor to wave the flag.
And I have used a LCD liquid crystal display and a lithium-ion battery to program. I have programmed this and written a Happy Republic Day. Components that we have used are Bluetooth controller, 4 motors, 4 wheels, a lithium-ion battery, a servo motor, and a flag. For the LCD screen, I have used for the Happy Republic Day. I have used a liquid crystal display, and I have used a SP Robotics board at the back and a lithium-ion battery.
Thank you for watching our project.